I want to make a song on my own. Can someone give me ideas in the song, please? Write it down in the comment, please. Please, guys, please, I beg you like much. I beg you. Oh. I beg you, I beg you, I beg you, beg you, beg you, beg you. I don't know why, but I want to make my. Oh gosh, sorry. I'm looking at the mic. It's gone red. Look, see. Ah! Boogly, boogly. Wait, what? What? I'm only tapping it, and it goes to red. Hi. Okay, guys, get ready for this. I think you guys are gonna get a epilepsy warning. Yodeling. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the. Bye. Don't what? Do not. Also, can you help me? Cause I have. No, not my. I want summer. I don't know what Dino said, but yeah. Dino said nothing. I don't know why, but I like work at a hotel. Oh shoot, that's a bad guy. I just love celebration from PewDiePie. Okay, PewDiePie, do not watch this video, please. Also, PewDiePie fans, please. I only said that for fun. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to get each egg. Alright, starting off with the easiest one, I think. Right? I think the easiest one to get is this guy. This bad boy. Okay, so gotta get a car or any just make a plane. Fire egg is easy. Wait, first. Okay, this is the fire. No, this is not the fire egg. This is how to get this spiky egg, the ice age egg. That's what people call it. I don't know why, but they call it like that. I need it to be right exactly. Okay, yeah. Wait, come on, buddy. Buddy, don't. No, buddy. Okay, I want you to stay. Thank you. Good, thank you. I want you to stay. Okay, pull. Raise the hose. Lass. Pull. Take that off. Pull. Watch, guys. Oh. Okay, Dino's here. Okay, so why is it so? Oh wait, it's Max. What up? Push it. A bit more. Okay, I am so close to getting it. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm talking about this ice egg. No. I hate you. I hate you right now. I do. No, wait, I know how to do this. Wait. All typical boxing gloves. Not basically all. Come on! Face the right way. Otherwise, I will shout at you. Okay, you know what? It doesn't move. How No! Wait, guys, this is so hard. Why is this so hard? I don't know. Oh no. I am not being rude. No! No, I'm not losing it. I am not losing this Ice Age egg. I'm doing it for you guys, by the way, not for me, because I already have them all. I will also tell you how to get the boss egg. I do have it as well. I have 2 of it. Oh my lord. Oh, how long does it take? Wait, we got it. No! Oh wait, it's over there. It's all over there. That's a different one, actually. If we do it quick enough, wait, the fire egg. No, fire egg stay. I will then teach you how to get the fire egg. Yeah, obviously. And I'll show you how to get... No! I need a fire egg now! I need it, okay, Dino? Now, we can't do the ice egg anymore. We need a... Oh wait, fire egg is there. Quickly, I'm not loading any plane because then I'm basically wasting time. I'm gonna push it with this plane. Okay, guys, it's very hard because this wait, what is that? No, that's a purple one. That's really hard to get. Actually, the purple. No. Okay, you know what? I need to get slower. What a tic-tac-toe. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Okay, superhero egg is easy. I'm not doing the superhero egg. Okay, this is too fast. Oh, did you... Still doing it? It's not gone. Just place anything. And where is the slow car plane thing? I don't know. Wait. I can load something in. I'm being dumb. Dumb. Okay, guys. I am trying, but because this makes me rage hard, it doesn't work. That's right. That's what's happening. So, guys, I think you can just... Oh, my lord. Okay, you know what? Let me just land now. Okay, this is very cringy. Why is this so cringy? I bet this might be the egg video. The famous egg video, remember? On Instagram. Why does everyone talk about that? Okay, you know what, guys? Skip it. Skip. Okay, I'll teach you guys on how to get the nature. What is that? No, I need you. Do not go away, please. Okay, for this one, I recommend you should use purple candy. If you don't have purple candy, well then, good luck climbing the Jack and Beanstalk. This definitely reminds me of Jack and Beanstalk. Wait, the ice egg is gonna go anyways. There's no point getting the thing, yeah? Look, guys. These are all the eggs. That's the boss egg. Okay, watch. With the jump candy, it's very, very easy because it's Jack and the Beanstalk. Get it? You got it! And then, congrats. I'll now teach you how to get another egg, which I need to find as inappropriate. Okay, this purple egg is very hard, but let's try. No, do not fall. Wow, I am lucky. purple egg, you need to okay. It's this one. You need to and then somehow its illusion goes there, I don't know. Well, guys, you have to sort that out. Well, that's how you get that egg, which is basically pretty much impossible. Okay, I'll show you how to get the tic-tac-toe egg. Oh my lord! Rip ice egg. That. Okay, tic-tac-toe egg. You have to beat the tic-tac-toe egg, so. Okay, never mind. So you gotta trick it. Right, okay, I know how to trick it. I can do. Oh, lol. Oh, so sorry. I'm very sorry. Oh, this guy thinks he can get one. No! Oh man, I wish I could. Okay, well, yeah, you have to win it. Well, here's one. I'll go first. I'll place it. Oh wait, if I do this, then he's gonna be confused, man. Oh no 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 no! I can no! Oh my lord, he is smart. He basically wins. This egg basically wins. Oh, dino. Oof! Resetting. Why is it so hard for me? You know what, guys? I can't help. Oh, wow. Sorry, guys. I can't help. I'm just kidding. I told you how to get. What? I told you guys how to only get this egg. Nate. You know what? I'm very good at not spelling things right. Am I some kind of Northern England? Southern America? Don't even know. Am I Scottish? Oh, I thought that was an egg. That's a player. Oh my lord. Okay, I'll show you how to get electric egg. It's really easy. So I think this might not actually how to do it, but this is a way that I know how to get it. So you gotta get a harpoon, or yeah, a harpoon, and then you gotta click it, and you know it's gonna go over there, but then it's gonna come back. Watch. If I pull it in, and then you have to get it when it's black. So then that means it has no power, and then but if that, oh, okay, good. There's a purple candy. Purple candy? I don't even know. Wait. All right. Let's see which one. Let's see which one. It's gonna glitch and say it's this one. I was right. It was that one. Anyways, guys. Oh, this egg. Oh, that egg. You gotta for this egg. You gotta like find the egg. As you can see, it's in the wall. Okay, there it is. Watch, it can go fast. Remember this one. Okay, it's in the middle. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. There. That one. This one. Oh, it's in the middle. But that, guys, that's how you get that one. Can't talk today because I'm rushing this video. Did we just quickly get on the I don't know. Okay, this might be impossible to do, but okay, bye. Go away. No, I lost my thingy bob. I lost my candy. Okay, I'll show you how to get this rocket egg. Wait, I only told you how to. Okay, guys, this is what you have to do. You have to do that. And then, yeah, you got it. Okay, that's how you get that, guys. Wait, I can do the... Nothing. I can now do the ice egg. If... Wait. Like... Yeet. Okay, do not go away, please. I beg you. I very beg you. Okay. You want to keep it there. You want to go as far as it should go, like, which is like there. So it's like it's gonna crisscross a bit. It's gonna crisscross. Gotta get it a bit more. There. All right, now we're gonna get a harpoon facing this. We're gonna pull. And as you can see, it is now taking off the sparks. And now you can pick it up. And you're finally got the fire. You finally got the ice age egg. Which is pretty hard because you need the fire egg. And now I'll show you how to get the fire egg. Yay! Oh! Or you can do what Dino's doing. That's much better than what I'm... Yes. As you can see, guys. Oh my gosh. The harpoon is... Oh my gosh. Oh. So guys, you can do whatever he's doing, yeah? Whatever Dino's doing. And you gotta pull it towards the water. Okay, yeah? And then when if it's blue, wait, you can't do it, Gino. Wait. If we just keep it there, yeah? Doesn't work. As you can see, it's now cooling down. And look, it's still blue, by the way. Once it's black, then you can obtain it. So watch. You can get it now. No, you can get it now. No, I can't. Candy. Nani? Wait. Gotta pull it. Lean it. Oh my gosh, this is stuck. Oh no. Why is it so hard to get a fire egg? Pull. Pull. Oh wait, pull. And that's how you get the fire egg, guys. Wait, I need to see what eggs we haven't got. Okay, rock. No, wait. Wait, what? Guys, tell me in the comments if we did do the rocket egg. I don't even know. Okay, we're doing the boss egg, guys. Wait, let me just see. Check. We got the tic-tac-toe egg, because that is way hard. We've got that egg, because I told you how to get it. We've got the illusion egg, the rocket egg, yeah? No, wait. I don't even know if the sound is on. Oh, superhero! Super! 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 Okay, guys, now I'll show you how to get the superhero. As you can see, he's gonna try zap you, but you have to be fast. So when you see that blue light like that, because that insta kills you, by the way, do not. Wait, yes, she got killed. As you can see, I am not dead because I need candy. Oh my lord. Wait. If I do this, go quickly. Give me candy. Give me candy. Alright, come on, boy. Come on, boy. You gotta wait until he's black. Alright, guys, see what I'm doing? I'm just running in circles, basically. And as you can see, he's getting more dark. It despawned. But yeah, you gotta keep doing it. But you gotta keep, like, dodging it until it's blacked out. And then you can get it. Okay, boss egg. Boss egg is pretty hard. And for boss egg, you obviously need all the eggs. Even the egg that, yeah. We need the ice age egg. We need the flipper egg. We need the fire egg. We need the cup egg. We need the illusion egg. We need every kind of egg. And so, Oh, sorry, mouse. Sorry, mouse. Wait, watch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, not S, Y, Z. Okay, now, guys, as you can see, you just need to place all the eggs down on there. Dino will also be doing it because he has all of them. Oh. Okay, this is the ice egg, by the way. Oh. Alright. Nature egg there. I think this is the fire egg, maybe. Yep. And the cup egg, and I think that's, what egg is that? There's a cup. Oh, tic-tac-toe egg. Toe egg. Tic-tac-toe. Yeah. Okay, he's gonna do it. Is he? Wait, let me see. Yeah, tic-tac-toe. Yeah, you gotta be careful, so that means you gotta hide in these boys. Okay. Alright, so you gotta go in the middle to activate. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay, done. Okay, run. It's gonna spawn kill you. No! Why does everyone want to join our team? I think copyright is going to come up, but I don't care right now. Because I want to show you how to get this boss egg. Oh, no. Watch. Intense music coming. Oh my god. You're gonna jump when the hammer comes and when that laser is pointing at you. So how to kill this boss egg? Oh shoot! Why is there no sound? I don't know. Oh shoot! No! That's what happens, guys. If you do not jump when the hammers go. No! Hide, hide. Oh, Pop Rocket! No! Get the rocket, get the rocket, get the rocket. Get the rocket, rocket. See, as you can see, I got a rocket and hit him. What? Well, I had to do intense music. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Uh-oh. Oh, quickly run, run, run! No. When I said no, the no came. No, it's all the way over there. But the Purple Rocket is near him. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Please don't aim at me. Please don't aim at me. Oh, no! Stop. Okay, you know what? No. No! What am I doing? Oh, it's intense. Ah, why is the music not on? Probably because it's broken. Oh my lord. Get it. Got it. So you gotta shoot these up rockets until they're all gone. Oh! Until he's dead, I mean. Because as you can see, that green part is his health. Uh-oh, he summoned those guys and no! Hide, hide. Okay, good. Okay. Good thing he's not facing me. Did that! Oh, shoot. Oh, rocket over here. No! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up! Get up! Get up! Oh, get wrecked. Get wrecked. Do not. Oh, that scared me. No, 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 hide. Hide. I'm dead, basically. Okay, he's there. I thought Dino was gone! Oh, shoot. Purple rocket, purple rocket. Get the purple rocket. I'm getting it, dude. No, no, no. Oh, you're dead. Get wrecked. One more to get. No, no, no. Hide. Oh, shoot. Jump. No, dude. No, I'm dead. We are dead. We are dead. Oh, no. We're running out of supplies badly. No. Oh, oh, you gotta jump at that time. I knew it. No, I'm dead. I'm basically dead. Get it, get it. Get it before I die. Get it. No. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh. We did it, guys. We killed him. Alright, guys. Now you gotta pick it up. You got a boss egg. Now I've got 3 of them. Yeah, boy! Yeah, you. We won, guys. And that's how you get. We'll show you all the eggs and what they look like now. Alright? Don't mind candies. 1, that's the superhero egg. 2, cup egg. Nah, you can get it. The fire egg? The tic-tac-toe egg? I don't know why. Tic-tac-toe egg? Ice egg? Rocket egg? Nature egg? Boss egg? There's more. Illusion egg? I think that's what it's called. And electrical egg. So these are all the bad boys right now. You cannot get any more. Okay. I'm sorry to say now, but we have to end your life. Run! Rip them. Uh-oh. Even the boss egg died? Aw, that's sad. That is. Anyways, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Anyways, see you in the next video. Ho, ho. Bye-bye, guys.